Good, let your head relax. Good, no rib humping here, but like just this musculature is much more developed. It doesn't mean you have any spinal curvatures. Okay, I'm gonna push down into your hips. Do you have any pain, discomfort? That was a good crack though.
Yeah, it was.
Any discomfort?
A little bit, yeah.
Good, down. Just try to relax, let me do it. I pushed hard. Good, sinking in.
That was crazy.
Dude. Sinking in. See how it like is a little tighter there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, same thing. Deep breath in and out. Shoulders relaxed, sinking. Good. Okay, good. Same thing. Good, perfect. Do that same thing all the way, and then just let it out softly. Shoulders. It needs it. I'm gonna bend your feet. Don't help me, okay? Or I'm gonna bend your knees. Deep breath in. Good. Lean back. Breathe out. Good. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. All the way down. All the way down, all the way down, all the way down. As you breathe out, I'm going to stretch your shoulders in this direction. I'm going to bring your hips down. Okay, there's a little bit more though, okay? That was all in your lumbar spine. So let's do that again. Deep breath in. Good. There's more. Good. Land back. Okay. I'll switch your just a little bit here. That's good. We'll pull this out like this just a little bit. We'll bring this down all the way. Lean your back. It's too easy. You're doing great. See, it's not that weird to get adjusted, right?
Mm-hmm.
No big deal.
It's nice.
Center. Left. Center. Okay, bring your left ear down to your shoulder. Center. Okay, good. Breathing, good. Good. Very good.
What the
Good. Nice. Ready?
Yeah.
It's right there. It's gonna happen.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Just with 2 fingers each, here's your belly button, here's your ASIS. We connect these 2 points. We start looking from there for the ileocecal valve. Here's yours right here. Is that tender?
Yeah. Sorry, that tickles.
I'll relax your neck, relax. Don't close your jaw. There you go. Good, that's better. Okay, so. All right, let's try this. Open all the way. Okay, good. And then now close. Feel that.
Okay.
Okay. I do this all day, every day. No one gets hurt, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right, deep breath in. Good, and out. You can close your eyes.
Oh my god, what the fuck? What the
Breathe.
like... Okay. Like, can I get up now?
Yeah, if you want to, or you can just lay there for a minute.
Whoa! Did you see that? I wasn't the only one that heard that, right?
I'm not sure. What?
I felt like
Oh,
my
yeah.
whole, the entirety of my back just cracked at once. That's wild. That was sick.
Good range there, Sarah. That's good. Let that relax. Let it relax now.